ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 9ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 9 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಇನ್ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳು.
You are in the right place. The city has given rise to some one of the world's biggest success stories, and today we are. The government stands committed, making Bangalore, Karnataka a successful platform to all of you and the future of the ambitions of hope. We are the Bangalore, the economic powerhouse driving India's future. We are Bangalore, the global hub of innovation, talent and digital leadership. Seamlessly the power supply. We are Karnataka, we are the first choice of global investors. Bangalore, most popular city for the startup jobs. Bangalore continue to be the India's green capital and clean energy vibrant process. I don't want to much propaganda on Bangalore. You all know you are live here. But again, you know that Bangalore second airport which has started is all on the international map. Mr. M.B. Patil and my Chief Minister, all of us working for the second airport again. We are on the first greenfield. You should know that we developed a first greenfield airport on the PP route. And now we are about 40 to 50 million passengers per year. A leading destination in the world-class infrastructure also being seen here. The fastest growing residential stock market. Mr. Our TVS group is here. Some of our friends are there. Lot of friends are looking on the residential group or residential share also. Higher share of office space is being observed, almost 25%. Leading growth on commercial space is being seen in Bangalore. We are the leaders in talent pool with the best gender ratio of the top cities. Booming urban landscape where work meets the leisure. You know that we have, just now you saw some of my friends signing on the universities. We have more than 20 to 40 international schools, more than 100 tech parks, 50 five-star hotels, India's pub capital. You see, the entire country, Bangalore shares the pub culture is there in Bangalore. Today, we know that you all look at environment, culture and tradition. We stand the best education, looking at the environment and the best talent is being seen here. Karnataka has the world-class education institution thinking of governance. Bangalore city is full of human resources, highly institution, engineering colleges, medical colleges, paramedical colleges. You should know that, I think Sajjan was speaking, we have more than 250 engineering colleges, more than 70 medical colleges, more than 700 paramedical institutions. We have the best law colleges. This is the city of the world, which is entire India is seeing, the world is looking, Bangalore and Karnataka, India is looking at through Bangalore. This is what the world leaders are looking. So Bangalore is looking at mega infrastructure projects in Bangalore. I have been the Bangalore city minister planning for a twin tunnel, a double-decker of almost 40 kilometers across Bangalore. Elevated corridor we are just looking out. Buffer roads we are looking out. A skydust deck we have been planning. I know you all are suffering with the traffic, but still I am trying to come out with a solution. I have confidence on us. The last business corridor which we are just planning, I think it is coming a new shape. I have authorized some of our colleagues. Mr. Atik has been, I have given the responsibility to him. He is looking at, and I think in a few days we will announce the second airport also, where the second airport will be done. So as now we have just released our Karnataka investment policy, I think we are giving lot of opportunities for the younger generation, new generation, lot of incentives have been announced. We are not looking at only Bangalore. We are looking at beyond Bangalore. You please come invest on beyond Bangalore. We want to curb people coming to Bangalore because already Bangalore population has become 1.4 crores. Almost 1.1 crores our vehicle is been in Bangalore. So today, I request you, in this policy, as Mr. M.B. Patil was telling that, on this Nanjundappa report. We have identified the backward taluks, backward districts. We want to give more incentives, make production. So please come forward. Let us all join together, a large and ultra-large mega institutions where that we give an opportunity. You have to go beyond Bangalore. Apart from that, I am requesting all the investors we have come out with a new policy. My Chief Minister announced in the last budget, we want to see that younger generation should not come to Bangalore or city for education. We have come out, we want CSR to be used only for the primary education. So I appeal to all of you who have been working here. I don't want you to deviate your CSR funds. I want you to be a part of the government. You should invest on primary education along with the government. We don't want your money. We will give you a land. You build a building, a government schools, and you be a partner. Our institution managements have discussed with various education institutions. They are ready to take over the institution along with the government. They will partner with us. We want you to help Karnataka to be, already Karnataka is a knowledge capital. Still, we want the rural boys to be more educated. We want them not to come. I appeal all the dignitaries to be a joint hand with the CSR. Let us build the future together. So I always tell, joining together is the beginning, thinking together is the progress, working together is the success. Let us all work together to make Karnataka and India proud. I thank you for your patience. I think almost 3 hours you have spent with us. I think next 3 days will be a very memorable day for all of us. You have come to invest, have confidence on us. This is a government not for signing. We have commitment. We will see that my industries minister, Mr. M.B. Patil, Mr. Priyank Kharge, I think all of us have joined looking at, and my power minister is here. We are expecting more than 10 lakh crore. Am I right, M.B. Patil? 10 lakh crore. I think Sajan is giving a thumbs up. Mahendraji, I think your company also thumbs up. Huh? Okay. Thank you, all of you. I think I need not tell once again thanking you on behalf of vote of thanks. I think I will only convey that I know that you all have been tired. I thank all especially I would like to thank my official team, the Global Investors team, Invest Karnataka team, my officers, my bureaucrats. They have worked a lot, my media friends and all of them. And I would like to thank all the investors who have come forward to make Karnataka a very big global center. And I would like to congratulate, thank my central union ministers who have been here, who are kind enough. So all of them, let us work together to make Karnataka and India proud. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Again, I welcome all of you to Karnataka.